everybody. My name is Alan Novacek with Collision Craft Auto Body, and I am a judge here today at the 2014 Geneva Concourse Car Show. This is a wonderful event. It's every August, and a lot of people ask me, being in the restoration business, what are the things when it comes to a judged car show, what are the things that judges look for? How do they judge a car? Well, typically, the judging categories are broken down into 10. The first category would be an overall appearance. The second category would be coachwork and bodywork. Third category would be paint. Fourth would be wheels and tires. Fifth would be chrome and trim. Sixth would be undercarriage. Seventh would be top and top hose let's say padded top or simulated top condition. Eighth would be interior. Ninth would be dashboard. 10th would be engine compartment or engine bay. This car here, out of the 6 that our team judged today, came in first place. It's a 1941 Lincoln, absolutely gorgeous, complete, correct car.